Hey everybody, it's Rob Harold, MarineMax in Charleston. Today we are looking at a 2026 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. It is in a light blue hull with chrome graphics, white rub rail, stainless insert. This boat does have a swing tongue trailer on it. It also has a spare tire. Absolute perfect size boat for all you HOA guys that need to be able to put your boat in the garage. This boat is equipped with a 60 horsepower Mercury on it. We do have the fishing package on this boat, so you're going to have an aerated live well right here in the back. You do have a convenient gas can that you can take on and off the boat. Reversible pilot seat so you can face either direction. This boat does have a JL audio radio that you can Bluetooth hook up. 7-inch SIM-RAD as well. Compass on top, cup holders. This boat also with the full fishing package has tackle boxes. Rod holders in the bow, removable cooler cushion seat with rod holders as well. This boat is equipped with a trolling motor plug. Good size anchor locker that is drainable as well. You could use as a cooler. Unbelievably capable boat. It's rated for 6 people. It's a Boston Whaler, so you already know it's unsinkable. If you would like to see this boat, you can see it at MarineMax.com Charleston. You can reach us at 843-747-1889. This is Rob Harold. Let's get on the water.